Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Python requests form tutorial with code examples. Introduction. In this tutorial, we will explore how to use the Python requests library to interact with web forms. Web forms are an essential part of many websites, and being able to automate form submissions using Python can be useful for tasks such as web scraping, automated testing, and data submission. We will cover the basics of making HTTP requests, handling form data, and parsing the response. Requirements. Before we start, make sure you have the requests library installed. If you don't have it installed, you can install it using Step 1. Import the requests library. Step 2. Understanding HTTP methods. Web forms usually use two HTTP methods, get and post. Get is used for fetching data, while post is used for submitting data. We will focus on post requests for form submissions. Step 3. Prepare form data. To send data to a form, we need to prepare a dictionary containing the form fields and their values. This can be done using the data parameter in the requests.post method. Step 4. Make a post request. Use the requests.post method to send a post request to the form's action URL. Replace the URL with the actual URL of the form. Step 5. Handling response. Check the status code of the response to ensure the request was successful, status code 200. Additionally, you can print or parse the content of the response. Step 6. Dealing with sessions, optional. If the form requires authentication, you may need to manage sessions using the requests.session object. Conclusion. This tutorial covered the basics of using the Python requests library to submit forms on websites. You can customize the form data, URL, and authentication details based on your specific use case. Always refer to the documentation of the website you are interacting with to understand the required form fields and data. ChatGPT.